In the ever-shifting realm of work and creativity, a new contender emerges: artificial intelligence. As technology advances, the question lingers: can AI truly replicate human creativity? Exploring the nuances of innovation, AI's role is both disruptive and transformative. Unveil the challenges faced as AI algorithms attempt to emulate human artistic expression. From music composition to visual arts, the battle between AI and human creativity unfolds. The human touch, a blend of emotions and experiences, proves to be a unique creative essence. Yet, AI's precision and speed challenge the traditional boundaries of human ingenuity. Witness the convergence of intelligence and imagination in this dynamic evolution. As we navigate this uncharted territory, the future of work is redefined before our eyes. Embrace the possibilities, where collaboration between AI and humans sparks innovative breakthroughs. Join us in this exploration of the profound impact AI has on the creative landscape. Uncover the potential synergies that emerge when human creativity and AI intelligence converge. Dive deep into the realms of imagination and innovation as we confront the AI-human creativity dilemma. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.